Hello guys, hope you all are keeping well. In this video, we will unveil 9 secrets that can empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Before diving into the video, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earning from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. Many people share the dream of financial freedom, yet for a significant proportion of people, it is still out of reach. Although everyone's idea of financial freedom is different, at its foundation, financial freedom is about achieving a level of financial security where one's income exceeds one's expenses. It's the ability to cover essential needs, enjoy desired experiences, and invest in personal growth without enduring the burden of debt. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Make a budget and stick to it. Guys, a budget provides a clear picture of your financial situation, including how much money is coming in and where it is going. This heightened awareness will help you to identify areas where you can make adjustments and take control of your finances. A budget helps you track your expenses, ensuring that you stay within your financial limits. By knowing exactly how much you are spending in each category, you can identify potential overspending and make necessary adjustments. Guys, the budget you will make will act as a tool for measuring progress toward your financial goals. You can regularly review your budget to assess how well you are sticking to your plan and making progress towards achieving financial freedom. Number 2. Pay off your debts. No one wants to live their whole life paying off debts now, do we? Guys, paying off your debts is a significant step toward achieving financial freedom. It offers several benefits that can improve your overall financial well-being and increase your financial independence. By paying off debts, you'll be able to experience relief from the burden of monthly payments and the anxiety associated with outstanding liabilities. When you will reduce or eliminate your debt, it will also positively impact your credit score. A higher credit score can lead to better interest rates on loans, making it easier and more affordable for you to access credit in the future. Guys, without your load of debt obligations, you will have the flexibility to seize opportunities that may come your way like a champion. Now, be it starting a business, traveling, or making life changes, you will be less tied down by financial commitments. We have made a separate video about getting out of a debt trap with very less income. You can find the link of the video in the description. Number 3. Build yourself an emergency fund, aka savings. Saving money to create an emergency fund is a critical step toward financial freedom. I'm sure we all adore Spider-Man and his ability to protect people with the help of his nets, right? Well, in the same manner, an emergency fund will act as your safety net, providing funds to cover unexpected expenses or financial setbacks without relying on credit or taking on debt. By having savings in place, you will be able to act as the Spider-Man of your own life, as this saving net of yours will reduce your financial stress and anxiety, providing you with peace of mind. Saving also allows you to plan for the future of your loved ones. It enables you to leave financial legacy and provide your family members in times of need. A tip we would like to give you all is the common rule of thumb for saving, which is to have 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses set aside in an easily accessible account. Number 4. Investment. Now that together we have set a solid financial foundation and our debts are under control, are you wondering what's next? Well, it's time to explore investment opportunities. Have you ever heard of Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors? Guys, in order to earn financial freedom, it's important for you guys to start investing early and Focus on long-term investment strategies. Investing will allow your money to work for you and grow over time. Through compounding, your initial investments can generate returns, and those returns can in turn generate more returns. This snowball effect accelerates wealth accumulation, moving you closer to financial freedom. To help become a pro investor, you can start learning about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Guys, it's very important to note that investing involves risk, and there are no guarantees of positive returns. Once a solid financial foundation is established and debts are under control, it's time to explore investment opportunities. If you want to know how cryptocurrencies can make you rich in 2023, then you must watch our video, which we have also mentioned in the description. Number 5. Diversify your investment. If you got confused by the title, worry not. We are here to brief you on diversification of investments, my friends, is basically a strategy that involves spreading your investment capital across a variety of assets and asset classes to reduce risk and enhance the potential for long-term growth. As it is famously said, avoid putting all your eggs in one basket. By investing in a variety of assets, you will be able to decrease the impact of any single investment's poor performance on your overall portfolio. When some investments underperform, others may perform well, helping to offset potential losses. Number 6. Create additional sources of income. Friends, the world right now is big on hustle culture, where passive income plays a vital role in attaining financial freedom by providing a consistent stream of income with minimal active effort. Unlike traditional active income, which requires continuous work and a time commitment, passive income continues to flow even when you're not actively working. Passive income allows you to earn money regardless of your location or time of day. This flexibility provides the opportunity for a more flexible lifestyle, such as remote work or travel. You should consider starting a side business, engaging in freelance work, or exploring passive income sources like rental properties or royalties. These additional income streams increase financial resilience and also create more opportunities for savings and investment. Are you looking for some side hustle ideas? If yes, then tap on the above banner to check our course on YouTube automation. Number 7. Embrace frugality with purpose. Frugality is about being mindful and intentional with your spending, prioritizing what truly matters, and avoiding unnecessary expenses. When combined with purpose, frugality becomes a conscious and deliberate lifestyle choice that aligns with your financial goals and values. Embrace frugality with purpose is a mantra that encourages individuals to adopt an intentional approach to managing their finances. It suggests making purposeful choices when it comes to expenses, aligning spending with financial goals, and prioritizing what truly matters for long-term financial well-being. This mindset encourages individuals to not only take charge of their finances, but also use their resources wisely. Do you know even frugal living can make you rich this year? Sounds unbelievable. Then check out our latest video on 9 frugal habits that will make you rich this year. Number 8. Review and adjust your financial plans. Reviewing financial plans is a crucial aspect of attaining financial freedom. Regularly reviewing financial plans enables individuals to assess their progress towards achieving their financial goals. It helps identify areas where they are excelling and areas that may need improvement. Financial plans are not static. They may need adjustments based on changing circumstances, goals, or market conditions. Regular reviews allow for course correction, ensuring the plan remains relevant and effective. Reviewing financial plans can serve as a source of motivation and discipline. Seeing progress and positive results can reinforce the commitment to financial freedom, helping individuals stay dedicated to their long-term objectives. Reviewing financial plans also provides opportunities to celebrate milestones and achievements. Acknowledging progress along the way can boost confidence and reinforce the importance of staying on course. Number 9. Educate oneself. Financial literacy is a cornerstone of achieving and maintaining financial freedom. Continuously educate yourself about personal finance, investment strategies, and economic trends. Understanding financial concepts empowers individuals to make informed decisions and avoid common pitfalls. Financial literacy fosters personal responsibility and accountability for one's financial well-being. It encourages individuals to take an individual role in managing their finances and planning for the future. You can make use of various books, blogs, and videos that are available in the market as well as the internet to educate yourself regarding finance. In a world where financial worries and constraints often dictate our choices, the concept of financial freedom emerges as a beacon of hope and empowerment. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. While these magical secrets cannot guarantee instant financial freedom, they can significantly improve your chances of achieving it over time. It's essential to recognize that financial freedom is a journey that requires commitment, discipline, and sound financial planning. That was all for today's video. We wish you luck on your journey to financial freedom. Keep learning and keep growing.